Okay, so I'm trying to help Joe out get this fucking limb all beat to shit, you know, and separated. When this happened, total anime martial arts fucking stand thing, and we're gonna hit it with a fucking sledgehammer, like we are in Skyrim mixed with Minecraft, bitches. Joe, you're first, dog.
All right.
Hit that bitch like you're in Skyrim. Yeah! My turn. I'll go ahead and get it. Whoa, it separated on that blow. We've been trying for like 20 minutes to get that shit separated. Like, no shit. With the sledgehammer. Because we have no, take it back. The saw we're using was this little piece of shit right here. Yeah.
Dude, I want to keep this.
And then Joe found this rock, which he actually managed to use to damage a lot of it, and then we finished it off with a sledgehammer. Now it's my turn to be a beast continued. Whoa, okay, beast moment fail.
Hey, can I turn that sideways?
Huh?
Can I turn it sideways?
Nah, it's better for YouTube. What? Actually, you know what? YouTube videos are they better sideways or vertical? I think?
Sideways.
Sideways?
They're much better sideways.
We turned it sideways. Now. Oh, I know how I can Skyrim this up with anime style Skyrim. Bitch.
Dude, I'm keeping this fucking thing.
Dude, we can still play with this shit.
Yes, we can.
Alright, signing out.
There you go.
Alright, so we tried using this rock to help bust that next part of the tree off. Not working. So you know what? Fuck this rock. I'm glad I didn't hit my hand.
Now it stays together, you piece of
No, it split. It got smaller.
Well, why don't you use that stump right there?
Oh, just set it down?
I'm probably gonna get splatted. Oh well.
Damn, I almost hit my leg. Like I said, fuck that rock. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Damn!
What? Let's just fuck it. Let's fuck it.
I don't want to fuck it. Close enough. Solid contact with the first one, and you kind of just push the other one aside.
Well, it was like, but at the same time.
Go. Hell yeah.
Here we go.
Ah! Fuck you.
Oh shit. That was the stupidest one yet.
This
one will look good. This one will look great. No, that was the stupidest one yet.
Hey, we're posting it anyway, homie. Oh shit.
That one's going in.
That was actually pretty badass, bro.